When the inventor logs into the IP management solution, the homepage is displayed. Here, the inventor can choose from a set of available actions, create an invention for patent filing by navigating to the patent facilitation section, create an invention for copyright, trademark, or design applications by going to the respective section, create a technology transfer request by navigating to the technology transfer facilitation section. Let's select invention for patent filing. Once selected, the Invention Disclosure Form, IDF, appears. This form is fully configurable, meaning the client's own customized IDF format can be easily configured within the system. Now, let's fill in the Invention Disclosure Form, IDF. Here, the inventor can enter the co-applicant details, inventor and co-inventor details, technical details of the invention, the background information, and details related to its development stage, among other required fields. After reviewing all the entered information, the inventor can submit the disclosure to the IP cell by clicking the Action button on the top right corner. Once submitted, email notifications are automatically sent to both the inventor and the IP cell, containing the docket ID and a confirmation of submission. A unique docketing number is generated for each IDF upon submission. This docket ID can later be used to track the progress of the case directly through the portal. As the invention is now submitted to the IP cell, the next action lies with the head of the IP cell. Now, let's look at the homepage for the head of the IP cell. Here, you can see actionable dashboards for both inventions and technology transfer requests. These actionable dashboards display a list of cases where an action is pending from the concerned role. Let's open one of our invention records. The current state of this invention shows as assignment pending. This means that a Program Officer 1, PO1, from the IP cell needs to be assigned to the case. To do this, click on the Assign PO1 field and select the user from the drop-down list. Once selected, click Save, and then click on the Action button labeled Assign Case to PO1 to complete the assignment. Within the IP cell, responsibilities are divided among 3 key roles. Head, IP cell, reviews the received IDF and assigns it to PO1. Next, let's look at the role of Program Officer 1, PO1. PO1 is the primary user of the IP portal and plays a key role in coordination. Hence he is authorized to view all other modules as displayed in the navigation menu, as well as any reports on homepage. He acts as a bridge between multiple teams, coordinating between the inventor and the IP cell and the legal team, the IP cell and the finance team, the IP cell and the law firm or attorney, and also between the IP cell and the company. Coming back to the invention process, PO1 performs the first-level review of the Invention Disclosure Form, IDF. After this review, PO1 assigns the case to PO2 for conducting the prior art search. Program Officer 2, PO2, as Protract supports role-based configuration, PO2 can view only those dashboards and records that are relevant to his role. PO2 is responsible for conducting the prior art search. Then uploading the prior art search report in Protract, along with detailed findings and recommendations. In case there are any queries related to the Invention Disclosure Form, IDF, or if any additional information is required, the IP cell can record those queries in the Queries section to get them clarified by the inventor. Once the prior art search report is reviewed, PO1 from the IP cell sends the report, along with the findings and observations, to the inventor for their reference and feedback. The inventor can track the invention status using the invention name or the unique docket ID assigned by the IP cell. They can respond to queries from the IP cell in the query response section. Inventor can download and view the prior art search report submitted by IP cell. Based on the report, the inventor can decide to proceed or abandon the invention, attach any supporting documents, and submit the response to the IP cell. Once the inventor and PO1 evaluate the invention and find it eligible for patent filing, it is forwarded to the head of the IP cell for final approval. The head of IP cell then reviews and approves the case, marking the completion of the review process.